Hello faggots. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you had sex with a Japanese woman? Probably divorce. Unless you are Italian and you impress her with your open-mindedness and cultural adaptability. Here you can learn how to make spaghetti sushi. Mamma mia, that is some delicious kawaii shit. Be ready to smash some non-existing asa after cooking this for her. Look at me fiddling about with the ingredients. We are going to need spaghetti, canned tuna because raw fish carries diseases like seppuku, and believe me, you don't want to die from that. Some oregano's because it's tasty as fuck, salt because I stopped playing League of Legends, port wine because any other wine is for pussies, olive oil to lubricate, and honey to do exactly the opposite. Wait, does that even make sense? Better not think of it too much. First we need to turn straight spaghetti to gay spaghetti by making it wet and hot. So I added water to the pan and I will heat the pan. But before that we need to put the spaghetti in the pan. Wait, ha, did you really think I was going to break the spaghetti? Who do you think I am? Jamie Oliver? No, I am another person. The spaghetti needs to go full size so we can roll it later in the tuna, wise ass. Now we put salt because fuck my arterial tension. Then the oregano's, be careful not to shake it too much, then again there is no such thing as too much oregano's. So keep shaking your thingy. Now it's time. I'm going to use the olive oil. I know you all are waiting for this. What? Wait, I put port wine first, as you know I use that shit in everything. Well, looks like I played myself. Or as we say in my country.
Que serafim do caralho.
Did you know Italian people use olive oil on top of pizzas, like straight from the bottle? That's some weird ass shit. But they say they invented pizzas so they can do whatever they want. Well, fuck them, I can do whatever I want to pizzas, and I want fucking pineapples all over those cheesy flat tomato sauce covered bitches. But I digress. Look, I already put the pan on the stove, and I'm going full power at first so the water gets hot fast so we don't waste time looking at a pan that never boils. Check the pan with your eyes closed from time to time and shake things up a bit so the nutrients can mix like the genetics from your forbidden love. I mean, did you ever think about the problems that dating a chick that lives 10,000 kilometers away brings? If you decide to compromise and live halfway from each other, you are going to end up in fucking Kazakhstan. Oh shit. It's boiling too much and I like it al dente. Fucking stove, there is no off button. It's so not user friendly to simply take the pan out of the stove so the machine automatically turns off. Stupid machines. I want to turn it off myself. As we can see, this water is full of nutrients and I don't waste it, so I use it for gardening. A strainer appeared conveniently so I can retain the spaghetti. Spaghetti is not good for plants. It's a bit dangerous to pour oil in my garden, not because it's bad for gardening, but because the US might mistake my house for Iraq. There you go. Finally we are ready. I will show you how to make the perfect spaghetti sushi roll. I can already hear Italian bakers throwing pasta fireworks in celebration. I can imagine all of China getting out of rice because Japanese women imported it all to paint themselves even whiter because they are so happy. When you get married to your Japanese girlfriend, I bet you will use flour to paint her face and she will put raw salmon on your pizza. That's classic globalization. Now it's a good idea to get your meat sticky. LOL, see what I did there? Alright, if all goes well the pasta should stick to the protein and we will get a good roll. Alright, bear with me because this is a delicate procedure. If you see me rolling, don't be hating. For this to work you need nimble fingers. Be ready to get your hands wet and sticky, but don't be afraid. Treat the stuff softly and don't poke it. You will not want to make holes in it. Now if you say I could have used a cabbage leaf to roll easier, you might be right. But then again, I am a professional. I know my fingers can bring great results. If you don't believe me, just listen to these testimonials.
I am Ryan and peidoatomico's finger technique changed my life.
I am Tracy and this is finger licking good.
Quem é a Tracy? Tu disseste que me amavas, cafajeste.
Everyone shut up. I am going to use cabbage. With the cabbage I decided to put some raisins too, because I like the motherfuckers. Now everything is ready to be eaten. Be sure to use chopsticks made of wooden spoons because globalization. Oh yeah, that's it. We have come up with a new recipe. I will taste test for ya. Tastes good. But there is something missing. Oh yeah, the fucking sauce. We will not use salty ass soy sauce. We will use Portuguese Francina sauce, because let's be honest, the shit is the best shit ever invented. Even Anthony Bourdain approved. Now it's time to finish the episode. I will eat my masterpiece. I hope you enjoyed this video, because I enjoyed it too. Kisses.
Edzinho.